We're at the entrance of a waterfall just now, but there's a wee entrance fee to pay. Just going to find out how much it is. Sorry, Ka. How much?
You have license card in Thailand.
Sorry.
License card?
License?
Yeah.
For the bike?
Yeah.
Yeah, one moment.
Have? Okay.
I just need to go and get Marcel's license. That was even better because we showed Marcel's Thai driving license. It was free for him and we only had to pay 200 baht for me. We just got directed into a bike parking area. The entrance is so pretty. I did not know this was the biggest waterfall in Chonburi as well.
I don't mind walking down, but we definitely get a lift back up, that's for sure.
Woo, we finally made it to Botmay Hill.
ถุงพลาสติกขวดน้ำพลาสติกแก้วพลาสติกนะครับเก็บลงมาด้วยนะครับไม่ขยะนะครับ
It's definitely where all the locals come on a Sunday. The kids looking at it on the great time. We're going to find ourselves a little spot and have a little break, bit of food, something to drink because it's proper hot today. It's so cool here, man. Look at there's people just having the bait in the river itself. We brought a bit of bait anyway, so we were already sorted for food, but we have got food here. All your barbecue stuff, roast duck. Fresh fruit and that over here. I think you've got to get here early to secure the best picnic spots, that's for sure. Yeah, we're still in the Chonburi province. It took us about an hour to get here, just over an hour anyway on the bike. I think there's only rocks left for us to sit on.
We did try a wee bit to look for some seats, but literally every one of them's taken.
All the best rocks are taken.
You've got a pretty good rock.
Oh yeah, comfy.
We've got our Crocs backstrapped for this one. It's actually quite chilly, but it's so refreshing. Oh, kids look like they're having so much fun. We've come to a bit of a fork in the road.
Jungle trail, I think.
Jungle trail for us? Oh, beautiful. We decided to walk up the jungle trail because we can walk back down the waterfall, I guess. It has been pretty well laid out, but you do still have to be very careful. If you're like me and you're a bit of a Calamity Jane especially. Wow, the people in front of us must all be experienced in this kind of stuff because they've all got their bare feet. Sorry if I'm out of breath. I feel like we're in the actual jungle, it's so humid up here. Sounds like we're getting closer and closer. I'll tell you what, that water's going to be so rewarding once we get in there. You sweating, babe?
Just a bit. So hot, man.
We're only at tier 2.
A bit more.
No way, babe.
Go on then.
Woo.
Hot and humid isn't even in it today, I tell you.
Smell it hot and popular.
Yeah.
I can hear people having fun, so we must be somewhere close, I hope. Whew. So it's finally somewhere we can actually take a dip. That walk was so worth it though. We're pretty much gorge walking at this point. This tree is so cool how it's just grown in the middle of a waterfall like that. Right, wish me luck. It's not easy, you know. We just seen these locals looking like we're taking a much easier route, so we've decided to follow suit. These are the guys that helped us. I'm actually stood right inside this tree right now.
Probably about a 40-minute stroll, but definitely worth it.
Actually looks so deep. Oh my god, I never usually sweat, but this is my t-shirt from my walk up here. The only dry parts are here and here. That was nice and refreshing. We must have picked a really good time. Sorry, I'm absolutely sweating here. But we must have picked a really good time to come up because the trail's getting so busy now. It's crazy to me how people do it in their bare feet. The walk down isn't actually as bad as the walk up. I think it's because you know where you're going. But during the walk up, you've got no clue how no idea how long it's going to take. So. Cảm ơn cha.
Who would have thought just driving down the road you've got Thailand's Grand Canyon on the doorstep. Absolutely massive.
I've just been reading ahead as well that there's a place called the Grand Canyon Water Park Centre. They do things like cliff jumping, zip lining, and like they've got big inflatable water park as well. Talk about breathtaking views.
It's about 20 minutes away from the waterfall that we've just been to, so it's not too far for just driving yourself.
We were headed to a beach, but we were passing this Bang Saen viewpoint, so we thought we would stop past on the way.
Good.
And that is Bang Saen Beach. There's all sorts of stuff going up and down the street. Literally everything you can imagine. Proper busy down here. There's so much hustle and bustle going on.
Yeah, you can do Bang Saen Beach as well, all in one day, as well as like the waterfall and that little viewpoint. It's all quite close to each other.